Hello, friends. Welcome to GK Quiz. In this video, there will be 20 questions. Each question 1 point. Each question 10 seconds. So, good luck. Then let's start. What Question 1. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Chennai. D. Kolkata. Answer 1. B. Delhi. Question 2. Who is known as the father of our nation? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Sardar Patel. Answer 2. B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 3. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer 3. C. Jupiter. Question 4. What is the longest river in our world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Ganges. D. Mississippi. Answer 4. B. Nile. Question 5. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Michelangelo. B. Leonardo da Vinci. C. Raphael. Answer 5. B. Leonardo da Vinci. Question 6. What is the highest mountain peak in the world? A. Mount Everest. B. K2. C. Kanchenjunga. D. Annapurna. Answer C. A. Mount Everest. Question 7. What is the currency of Japan? A. Euro. B. Yen. C. Dollar. D. Pound. Answer 7. B. Yen. Question 8. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Vietnam. Answer 8. B. Japan. Question 9. What is the capital of France? A. Berlin. B. Rome. C. Paris. D. Madrid. Answer 9. C. Paris. Question 10. What is the chemical symbol of water? A. H2O. B. O2. C. CO2. D. N2. Answer 10. A. H2O. Question 11. When did India gain independence? A. 1945. B. 1947. C. 1950. D. 1960. Answer 11. B. 1947. Question 12. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Morita Desi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer 12. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 13. What was the name of the First World War? A. World War II. B. The Great War. C. The Hundred Years' War. D. The Napoleonic War. Answer 13. B. The Great War. Question 14. What is the capital of France? A. Berlin. B. Rome. C. Paris. D. Madrid. Answer 14. C. Paris. Question 15. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer 15. A. Mars. Question 16. Who wrote the play Hamlet? A. Charles Dickens. D. William Shakespeare. C. Jane Austen. D. F. Scott Fitzgerald. Answer 16. B. William Shakespeare. Question 17. What is the largest desert in the world? A. Sahara Desert. B. Arabian Desert. C. Antarctica Polar Desert. D. Gobi Desert. Answer 17. C. Antarctica Polar Desert. Question 18. Who is the father of the modern physics? A. Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. C. Stephen Hawking. D. James Maxwell. Answer 18. B. Albert Einstein. Question 19. What is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco. B. Vatican City. C. Liechtenstein. D. Nauru. Answer 19, B. Vatican City. Question 20. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Guglielmo Marconi. Answer 20, B. Alexander Graham Bell. So, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Comment below how many questions were right. Bye.